Local news for Monday, the 22nd of June. Police are seeking witnesses to a fatal crash that occurred on Friday in Carterton at around 12:25 p.m. Anyone that saw a red Holden Commodore being driven at speed along High Street South are asked to contact police. A man in his late 40s has been charged with reckless driving causing death. Hutt Valley detectives and the Armed Offender Squad executed a warrant in Wainuiamata late last week after information that a man allegedly involved in the Carterton aggravated burglary was in the area. After a short negotiation, the man surrendered to police. A firearm was located at the address and seized, and a 26-year-old has been charged with aggravated robbery and possession of a shotgun. Long-standing chairman of Pukaha Mount Bruce, Bob Francis, has resigned after 14 years. He says, "I've given this place my all for many years, and with the confirmation of PGF funding and the beginning of the biggest investment in Pukaha's history now underway, it's the right time to step aside." And in sport and hockey, a double for Dowfield, both men and women winning 6-0 at the weekend. In the first 15 rugby, Wairarapa College beat Tawa by a point, and Rathkill beat Palmerston North Boys High School. That was the second 15. For local news and sport, kia ora, I'm Brent Gare.